We're talking about Chanel because they just had a sale, and I think you're curious about what I actually bought. Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to another new video. I know that you have been waiting for a week to watch this week's video, which is the video that I promised to make. If you have watched last week's video, you know that I participated in the Chanel seasonal sale. I was always very curious as to what people have found through these sales, and I have checked on Instagram of some people's findings, and I'm like, oh, how come I didn't see that one? After a week and after several things have finally come in from when I ordered it, I wanted to share several pieces that I found. And also the reason why I'm doing this video is not because I wanted to show you guys how many things I got, because I know there are so many people who have better and greater and larger collections than me. So this is just me trying to share all of that experience with you guys along the way. This is the first time I've ever participated in the Chanel public sale. It's completely different. It's a very unique experience. I genuinely want to share the step-by-step that I took in order to get to this video, and since I shared all of the raw footage and experiences in the store shopping with you guys, this video, the main purpose of it is really to show you guys what I really harvested during this sale. Not everything that I bought is their iconic and their classic pieces, because this is a seasonal sale, so usually they will be putting out items or merchandise that have not been sold in the last, I don't know, half a year and a year. Somewhere I came across one of the pieces that I unboxed was from the 18A collection. So that's an indicator to know that these pieces are from the early 2018 collection. So that has been like over a year. You guys can see that sale is really for brand to let go their older merchandise so they can bring in new merchandise, and then they definitely took the chance to rotate everything. As much as I love these items here, maybe the resale value of them isn't going to be as high because they are not the item that everybody is going after. And this is the funny part, because as a brand, they are really so good with bringing out things that can make strong waves on the internet that people are constantly going after. Those items tend to keep their value so much higher because the demand is very, very high. So for the items that people don't really pay attention to, they move slower, and because everybody is really trying to go for that same pie, some of these items gets left out. I'm thoroughly happy with the findings that I scored during this sale, but it might not be everybody's cup of tea. So depending on your style, you would know next time when they have a sale again what to expect.
If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well.
We're talking about Chanel because they just had a sale, and I think you're curious about what I actually bought. So continue watching the video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, right now it's a good time to click that subscribe button and also click on the bell so you don't miss out on any videos that we upload. So let's get into it now. I can hold all of them in one hand. I have 3 boxes here, have a 4th one. So all of these are the accessories that I scored during the Chanel sale. I had purchased 2 items in the store, and the other 2 came by mail. So the first one I'm actually going to be showing you guys is the first thing that I scored when I went into the store. Like I said in the previous video, if you're not the first 10-15 people that makes it into the store to buy it, it's really hard to find the cutest things, but I am really glad that nobody jacked this gem away. It is so cute, and it is a Chanel large CC brooch with the different color stones on there. It is just so unique because the color is kind of rustic, kind of vintagey looking. So this is the back side of the brooch, and I really wish that it's, you know, reversible, but it's not, and it's okay, because on the front side you will see all of these different color stones. that are placed throughout the CC, and I think it makes it a very low-key yet statement brooch. And I think for someone that's like maybe my mom's age would like these type of logoed item more. I think it's a very toned down version of the iconic CC, because right now it's winter time. You can wear it on your sweater, you can wear it on so many things. I feel like this is a really good finding. And what do you think? The second item came in a bigger box. To be honest, when I found this item, it was nowhere near a box, and because they have already put out everything, so every item should be inside of a box, but this one wasn't. And I was looking around and I didn't really see anything that's really cute or catching my eye, so I went into the section and browsed it a little bit more, and I found that this is actually on a mannequin's hand. And asked the lady slash my friend who helped me, and she went to the back and checked for me. And good news for me, because this item is also on sale. So this is a Chanel wristlet, but it's something that you can open. You can kind of like open, and then it would just, oops, and it would just open apart. Wait, what happened? So I'm gonna try this again. So you would open it up, and it would just open like that. I just feel like this really spoke to me, because it's not a very traditional Chanel looking accessories, and it does have this super big gold medal in the middle with the CC on there. But I figure this is something that's super gothic, and let me demonstrate. It's a little bit challenging when you're trying to put this on by yourself, so you have to make sure everything aligns. But this is what it looks like when you put it on. I think it would look super nice with a sleeveless dress, or you can wear t-shirt and jeans, and this definitely makes a statement. So I felt like, wow, it's a really good catch, and I didn't really see this on anybody else's hand or anybody else's sale list, so I was like, I'm taking this one too. And to be honest with you guys, I was a little bit disappointed. Like I mentioned in my last video, if you have not watched it, I'm also going to link it in here. I'm a little bit disappointed because the items that I picked out in store was really quickly rung up and handed over to me, so there was definitely no wrapping or there's no ribbons on there, which, like I said, I could understand under those kind of situations, because they're gonna have to hold you in the store longer, and most people don't want to wait, and I also wanted to get out. But I was a little disappointed that I couldn't film the unboxing part of these two pieces that I just showed you. But at the end of the day, I'm still happy that I was able to find something after the sales started. So, you know, it's still cute things. And I think this happened because my friend texted me and told me that there are new things that have been added to the list. She knows that I've been looking for these brooches, so she's like, do you want to see them? I'm like, yes, of course.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes
I almost thought that these were gonna be the first ones that's gone, because it's so cute and it is so versatile. You saw it in an unboxing, and I'm just gonna show you guys up close. First one is this beautiful round and leather strap hoop with the Chanel writing in the middle, which I thought is very unique. They also have these in the earring style, and there was black one that might have crystals around them, but I like the red. I think it's unique because a lot of things that I have is black, so I think red is definitely very unique. However, I did pay attention because whenever I see a Chanel person walking around, they like to stack 2 brooches here and there, and then they usually wear those very eye-catching Swarovski crystal ones on their sweater. So I don't want to come across wearing something that make me look like I work at Chanel. I think this is something that really stands out, and maybe also you can use it as a hairpiece.
Somebody to talk to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody.
This could be something that's also very versatile again, and it's very unique, so I really liked it. And up next is, last but not least, kind of moving around, but you can see this is the, oh my gosh, hello, can you guys see me through the crack? This is the other brooch that had Chanel writing on there. I thought that's really unique and kind of understated because it's not just CC. So I felt like these ones really gave you that versatility to wear it with different styles. Alright, I'm sharing with you guys my last prize, which is, ta-da! So I am opening my other box that I received from Chanel for the sale shoes, and I'm very happy that I am able to see this, because what does that tell you? This tells you that it is wrapped so carefully. I mean, look at this. This is how it's supposed to be done, okay? Not like my other shoebox where it's just tossed in there. Look at this. Beautiful. This is how it's supposed to be done. I don't need to wrap it again. Excellent presentation. But the shoes right now are wrapped because it's a gift. I scored this pair through a personal shopper, which I think she's awesome. I didn't know what to expect because I saw that there were a lot of shoes that went on sale, but I know my size, I'm size 37, which I think the rest of the world are most likely having the same size as me. So I know scoring a pair of size 37 is super hard. And also in my last video, if you guys saw the footages, you can see that the aisle for size 36, 37, and 38 are pretty much all wiped out by the time I got in. I figure, you know, I'm going to try something else and try something different. So I tried that for the sake of my first luxury channel because I want to share more experiences and insights with you guys. So I did find this pair, this gem, through a personal shopper in my size, and I was very happy with it because I owned a pair of these slingbacks in the beige color and I worn the crap out of it. It was probably one of the most comfortable pair of shoes and the most versatile pair of shoes that I owned. So when I saw this pair on someone before the sale a long time ago, I thought this is such a unique pair of shoes, and I love the silhouette because you can see that, you know, it has a pointy shoe and the half front is also satin, so I thought it's really unique. And on the slingbacks, usually they're the Chanel logo is usually on the outer corner of the shoe, and this one you can see neither side has it because it's in the back. And I thought that's such a dainty detail and really uniquely. I didn't see these on the photos, but then when I got it in person, I'm like, ooh, I'm loving these surprise. That's another pair that I scored. Another thing I want to mention is that since I did get 2 more brooches, and what else did I get? I did get 2 more brooches and another pair of shoes from my friend that works at Chanel. I felt like they did a really excellent job because this time they wrapped everything. I was really happy to see that the items came in the full packaging, and it's a really important detail to be left out usually, but you know, thumbs up for them because they did an excellent job. Even though they could have not done it before because in person they didn't even do it. I'm just really glad that they took that extra nice detail to the next step. That sums up today's video. I hope, like I said, I was able to provide insights for you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment area below. And for now, I look forward to sharing the next video with you guys, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that right now and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!